Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. So, the back to school season is officially here, but today we're not talking about locker combinations or, highlighting textbooks. We are diving straight into earning independence. This is basically the ultimate teen guide to making your own money while still absolutely crushing your homework. We're going to map out exactly how you can turn that extra free time into some very real, tangible rewards. Right out of the gate, we've got to ask the big question. How about earning some cash while studying? Honestly, it's the classic teenage dilemma, isn't it? You want to buy those brand new sneakers or maybe grab front row tickets to a concert, but you definitely don't want your GPA to take a hit. You're out here juggling school, homework, and extracurriculars, but man, wanting your own cash is totally valid. Well, the really great news here, it doesn't have to be an either or kind of deal. You can absolutely do both. Because when you really think about it, it's about way more than just the cash itself, right? It's about the freedom that comes with it. Starting up a side hustle as a teenager is just a phenomenal way to gain true independence and earn extra money. When you're making your own money, you get to call your own shots. Plus, it teaches you the real, tangible value of your time and effort, and it builds this incredible sense of self-reliance. It's really all about complete empowerment. Digital ways to earn. Let's look at the most accessible place to start for most teens today, which is literally right at your fingertips. The internet has totally leveled the playing field, opening up these massive possibilities that, frankly, just didn't exist a generation ago. You don't need a car, you don't need a long commute, you just grab a Wi-Fi connection and a little bit of ambition, and you are good to go. Seriously, think about the sheer variety of options you've got online now. First off, you could start an online business by just clearing out your closet and flipping unused items, or selling your own crafts. Or hey, what are you already good at? You can freelance your writing, graphic design, or coding skills to people literally all over the world. If you love being on camera, maybe you become a content creator and pull in ad and sponsor revenue. And finally, there are these incredibly easy-to-use survey and reward apps, like Honeygain, for example, which lets you earn free money just by letting the app run in the background. The avenues to monetize your screen time and your existing talents are practically endless. Real-world community gigs. Because, hey, the internet isn't the only place to hustle, right? Let's step away from the screens for a second and look right outside your front door. Classic gigs are classics for a reason. Whether it's babysitting or maybe walking your neighbor's completely chaotic golden retriever, people are always looking for trusted local help. You can tackle yard work, run errands, do some grocery shopping, or help out with cleaning around the neighborhood. These are super reliable, consistent ways to put cash in your pocket. Now here is the ultimate life hack, diversification. You've basically got these two distinct yet totally valuable worlds to play in. On one side, the digital and online hustles, your content creation, freelancing, and reward apps. On the flip side, the local neighborhood gigs, babysitting, pet sitting, yard work, shopping, and cleaning. The absolute beauty of this, you can pick whatever fits your vibe. Or better yet, mix and match them. That is exactly how you build a really solid foundation for your independence. Okay, as you explore all this, there's a real pro tip concept you absolutely have to understand. Passive income. Simply put, this means earning extra cash with minimal active effort on your part. So instead of trading your time for a strict hourly wage like you do when you're mowing a lawn or babysitting, you set something up that just generates value in the background. Utilizing reward ops like Honeygain is basically the perfect example of this. It's all about working smarter, not harder. You're quite literally setting yourself up to build your savings while you sleep. Essential rules for success. Time for a quick reality check, though. Bringing in new money is awesome, but not if you burn yourself out or if your grades start slipping. Figuring out how to make money is honestly only half the battle. To actually pull this off as a teen, you need a rock-solid strategy. So let's talk about the essential rules to keep everything perfectly balanced. Let's walk through this roadmap. Number 1, save wisely and explore those passive income options. Don't just blow every dollar the second you make it, okay? Let the magic of compound interest work for you while you're young to build up a safety net. Number 2, balance work and school by organizing your schedule. Map out your week, put it in a digital calendar so your new side hustle doesn't accidentally eat into your dedicated study blocks. Because, yeah, your education definitely still comes first. And number 3, stay safe and cautious online. Whether you're freelancing, selling old sneakers, or posting content, guard your personal information like a hawk. Online safety is an absolute non-negotiable requirement here. All right, we've covered the massive digital landscape, we've talked about reliable neighborhood gigs, we broke down the absolute genius of passive income, and we laid out the non-negotiable rules for balancing it all without losing your mind. Which brings us to the biggest question for you watching this explainer right now. So teens, are you ready to make money? You've got the tools, you've got the ideas, and you have the exact roadmap to make this study season insanely productive. It's officially time to take your first steps. If you're pumped to begin and you want to dig a little deeper into all these strategies, definitely check out the Honeygain blog to learn more about your earning possibilities. But honestly, beyond any blog or explainer, the real power is entirely in your hands now. The tools are literally right in front of you. So think about it. What is your very first side hustle going to be? And exactly how is it going to change your future?